everyone, Luke here and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, what we're going to be doing is learning how to get a nice, perfect finish on some MDF. So the first step of getting a perfect finish on MDF is you want to get yourself some of this. And what this is, it's just some quick dry wood primer. And what you want to do is just paint your edge with the primer and let it dry.
Here is a perfect example of what would happen if you was to slap a coat of paint on your MDF straight away. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a colour difference between this nice smooth piece of wood right here and this raw cut of MDF right here. So what's happened with our first coat of primer is that it's absorbed some of the paint and it's showing its original colour all the way through. And that's the reason why we put one coat on first, we sand it very lightly until it's smooth, we don't want to take off the primer, and then we add a second coat. And that should give you a nice finish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go off and do that now, and I'll be back once I'm done. So I'll see you guys in a second. So now we've added our second coat of primer, you can just see how lovely this finish is. And if I was to slap a coat of paint on that, you would not even be able to tell that this is MDF. And that's the exact result that we were looking for, which is awesome.
Wow, what a fantastic finish. And without this technique, I would have not been able to make this project look quite as nice, and I thought it was definitely worth making a video on. Anyway guys, I hope you found the video interesting, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later.